Good afternoon, everyone. Today, on behalf of Rbvrr Women's College of Pharmacy, staff, management, and principal, I, Dr. K.V. Ratnamala, Associate Professor, Coordinator IIC, welcome you all to this IIC activities. As we all know that our college has been approved by MHRD as Institutions Innovation Council. As a part of this, we need to organize and we need to motivate students in the fields of entrepreneurship, IPR, and innovation areas. So as a part of this series, today we are here to discuss regarding PoC pitching and validation. So PoC pitching validation gives an idea regarding the ideation methodology, how to develop an idea. So today we have one of my colleague, Dr. MP Kusuma, Associate Professor and Innovation Ambassador at Rbvrr Women's College of Pharmacy. Dr. MP Kusuma has been working since 13 years in this college, and she has publications, around 16 publications, and she has attended so many national and international conferences. And she has been trained as an innovation ambassador by MHRD. So today, I welcome Dr. MP Kusuma to this session in order to motivate students regarding ideation, PoC, and pitching. PoC pitching and validation. I welcome you, madam.
Thank you, Ratnamala. Good afternoon, students. Welcome to today's topic, PoC pitching and validation. Am I audible, Ratnamala?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible, ma'am.
So everything begins with an idea. So what a great idea is it? What is an idea? Idea is a mental representation of objects. So you are learning the definition of idea now, okay? So ideas are thoughts, but not all thoughts are ideas. That means they are like you get from day in the morning, you get lot of thoughts. So every thought can be implemented throughout the day. So if you implement your thought in your daily routine, it becomes an idea. In fact, ideas flows in between the thoughts. Okay, so how to generate an idea? So you can generate an idea by all these things like breaking old thinking patterns. So we have an established way of thinking. So we go on with that established way of thinking, thinking that we are doing it correctly, we get it in the right manner. So that's totally wrong. You should break away that old established pattern, think in a new manner, and just proceed. Then you might get a new idea. Second way, rephrasing the problem. So if you get any problem, just don't go on thinking about that problem in the same manner. Like you broaden your perspective, identify the simple issue, think about alternate solution. You might get a new idea to take away the problem. So never go on with the same way of thinking about the problem. Just change your perspective. Just totally think in a different manner. Think in reverse. Sometimes a problem can be solved if you think in a reverse manner. Bring the problem upside down. Like you start your thinking what is the problem, what is the cause for that problem, next what is the cause for that cause, on going downwards. So when you go on like that, you might get an idea to solve that problem, or you may get a new more idea. So sometimes you have to mix your media. So I need not tell you about these things. So you will get new ideas when you are listening to a music, or you present your problem in a form of a painting, so or a drawing. Just think about the drawing. You might get a solution for your problem, or you might get an idea for the problem. Or do walking. So just don't go on thinking about that problem throughout the day. Just change your way, mix your media, mix music, like that. Sometimes you need to make new connections, like you need to talk to new people of a different age, or of the same area, like that. So you might get solutions when you think about when you talk to new people. So the primary principle for anything is you need to make new connections, more connections regarding your idea. So once you get an EI, you just have to make on connections. So when you talk to more number of people, you'll get more ideas. Supposing if you are a boss to a team leader or a boss of a company, just don't discuss anything in the office. Bring away, go to a coffee shop. Go to a coffee shop and just talk about something else. Then you might get a solution for your problem. Finding a fresh perspective. So you just if you didn't get anything, any idea for your any solution or any ideas, just leave about it. Just go on sleep. Just take risk. Go for an exercise. Go to a gym. Just next day morning you might get a new idea. So so there are various ways to encourage your creative thinking. So believe in yourself. Like we are, God has created in everyone in the same manner. Everyone in the same manner. So you are born with a talent. When you are born with a talent, you can do anything. So don't degrade yourself. You can do anything. Just believe in yourself. You can bring out many things to life. You have great ideas. You can get great ideas. Find time for downtime. So you just keep on you just think about only your idea, and you just divert yourself. Just relax, go on for good sleep. You might get an idea. Vary your environment. Just don't be in your place. Okay, if you are not getting anything, just go on. Just don't be in your place. Just go on for a walking. Just change your environment completely. You will get a new idea. Conquer distractions. This is the main thing. So if you want to get away with the problem, or you want to get a new idea, if you want to get solutions for your thing, do you just have to conquer distractions. So just close your room, put off your phone, primarily no WhatsApp, no Facebook, or nothing. Let's put off your laptop. Just you have to focus. You have to focus. That's the main important thing to achieve anything, to conquer, to get to succeed anything. So if you go on distracting, it's you cannot achieve you cannot achieve anything. So you can do this by you can display play cards, or you can draw painting in your room to get more focus. So focusing is the main important thing to achieve anything. So you just, if you start anything, just keep on focusing on that. Don't do anything. Don't get distracted for anything. Like, don't talk to your friends. Complete your work, focus on that, then go for the next one. Sometimes having fun also give you a great idea. Having fun also will give you a great ideas. Okay, just like sometimes playing and all. Sometimes playing will give you playing, or listening to the music and all will give you great ideas, wonderful ideas. Okay, sometimes humor, listening to a humorous play or a humorous movie will give you a new idea. Now, coming to this today's topic, proof of concept. So once you get an idea, so you just have to go on for a proof of your idea. That proof of your idea is called as a proof of concept. Okay, so proof of concept is a realization of certain method or idea in order to demonstrate its feasibility. So you just have to go on with a certain method, and you have just have to check whether your idea is feasible or not. This also called as a proof of principle, and it's nothing but a small scale visualization exercise. That means you have to do a small scale visualization exercise to find out whether it is really applicable to in today's life or not. So it's not about delivering that concept, but showing its feasibility. That means it's not like you're not delivering it, you're not delivering your idea. You're just checking whether it is feasible or not. That means proof of concept is you have to check whether your idea is feasible, applicable, really it is needed for the society or not. You just have to make a small scale visualization exercise. So unless so your thought has converted to an idea. Now your idea is going to be converted to proof of concept. Now, so, what are the steps involved in the proof of concept? So, you just have to go on with a live interaction with everybody, like the people of your area, and you just have to talk to them. I told you you have to make new connections regarding to your idea, related to the idea. So you will just have to keep on contacting more people. When you talk to more people, you'll get more ideas. You will get change of idea. So you just present your idea in front of them. So when you present your idea in front of them, just then you will really understand whether whether there is any significant need or not. Okay, so like then just gather feedback from the people. Like, do they really need anything? Do the people who have the need realize that they have the need? Like they are most of the people are like this, just go on. They are go on with the life, and they don't really realize that there is a need for them. So you just have to go on, like interacting with the people. Take live interactions. Don't go for a virtual interactions like that. Just go on for the talk to them, speak to them, and find out really if there is any need or not. And do they really realize that they have a need? Is the need really causing a pain to them? Next, then tell your idea about them. Tell your idea. Your idea should be a solution for them. It should be a solution for them, and then take a feedback from them. Next, build a roadmap that outlines the step-by-step process for launching the product. Next, once you get a good feedback from them, just then go on for the step-by-step process to bring out your product out. Create a prototype and test it. Gather document feedback. So now what? You woke up in the morning. You are having many thoughts. Suddenly you went for a walking. You went for a walk. You just got a good thought for you. You're implementing the thought into an idea now. Now you're continuing with the proof of you're doing a small scale exercise. Whether you're really your idea works out or not, you're going to the people, you're meeting the people, you're meeting a group of you're gathering you're meeting a group of people, and really you're finding out the problem, and you're checking whether your idea is bringing some solution to the problem or not. Okay, so next, once you are satisfied, or once you are satisfied that really your problem is your idea is giving a solution for them, or implemented solution for them, now go for a prototype. And just test it. After testing, gather again feedback. What is a prototype? What is a prototype? So POC shows whether a product can be built or not, while prototype physically presents its basic functions and how it will be developed. That means your small scale visualization exercise has converted to a prototype, a physical form of your idea, a physical form of your idea. POC is just an idea or assumption, whereas a prototype is going to lets the innovator bring the concept to life by creating it. So you're converting an interacting working model of your proposed solution. So this is an example of a prototype gaming app. Okay, gaming app and prototype. But the gaming app, the demo gaming app is now a prototype. The idea is a POC. Now, where are we now? So your thought has been implemented, and that has become an idea. Now your idea has been converted to a POC. Now POC is a small scale visualization exercise. Now you approach the people, or you have approached people of your interest, and you have gathered this. You have checked. You have gathered their problem. You have checked whether your POC is bringing a solution to them. And once you are successful in that step, then you have converted your idea into into a working model. That working model is a prototype. Now, this proof of concept or the prototype is very important when you are running a small scale business. Supposing you are now you're becoming an entrepreneur, you're budding entrepreneurs. So you just want all the steps are required when you want to start a firm, you want to start a business. And so when you supposing like if you this prototype is going to pinpoint potential risk and obstacles. That means like if you do this prototype, you will really understand whether there is any uncovered solutions, and whether they are really any potential risk or obstacles, and whether you have covered all the whether you have given all the solutions to the problems or not. Now you will understand the chances of scalability. Like, can I scale it up still further, or do I have to work out still? Do I have to go get on for the more feedback or not? So you will get more ideas whether you have to go for a scalability or not. Then then you are going to go for a bank for a loan, or you are working in an industry and you are the stakeholders of the industry. Now they need a proof. So based on your prototype, based on the proof of concept, then they will think out whether it is really needed to invest money they will do risk analysis. So if I invest this much amount of money, so do I get any success? What is the success rate here? What is the success rate here? What is the profit rate here? So they will start on analyzing based on your prototype. So, like, your thought has been converted to idea, like your idea has been converted to POC, proof of concept. Now the proof of concept has been succeeded. From the feedback, you're converting that into prototype. You are now demonstrating that your prototype is successful, can solve you can solve any problems. You are bringing out all the solutions to the problem, and now you are now impressing your stakeholders, or you're getting a good amount to start your business. Now you're bringing out, you're putting down, you're documenting it for further steps. So now you can present your prototype by critical by design features, or you can also do a prototype can be a critical manufacturing processes. Like, before you go on for the scale up, you have to do critical manufacturing processes. Or it can be preliminary product test methods, or you can design a preliminary test equipment. You need it. It can be perform focus groups, or you can also conduct design reviews also. So once you have designed everything, or whether you have, after every step, in every step of the prototype, you can also gather feedback, find out whether your process is going on good, and it is bringing solutions to the problem. And then you can develop a risk management plan, determine what are the regulations required here. Sometimes, your prototype can be identifying a packaging and labeling requirement. Your prototype can be a sterility method, or you can also it can be a phase review or a phase concept selection. So your prototype need not be a particular thing; it can be any one of the area related to our field. What are the process involved? First is demonstrate the need for the product. Like, really, there is a need for this. There is a need for this problem. Now, ideate the right solution. You think on an idea, just go on for the various ways, mix your media, get a good idea. Once you get a good an idea, just gather feedback. Now create a prototype, test it. Now after prototype, gather documented feedback. Next, present POC for approval of concept for approval. Now your idea is conveyed with just a single still image, namely making it possible to absorb large amount of data quickly. So now see the person is holding a pen. He has succeeded in every way. He has got a large amount of data very much quickly. These are some of the examples of the startups which are there, who have struggled all this way, and they have brought out a beautiful model into the market. So, like, you can see delivery key, Zap RX, and health sensors, and 3D printing, and artificial intelligence, like, which is there in all the biosensors, which are there in the diagnostic purposes. So now, POC helps businesses see if the proposed idea is practical, really practical, attractive for the market, achievable for the company. Though POC project teams can explore the planned components and functionalities of ideated product, along with the cost, resources, capacities required to make it work. Now your thought has gone to an idea. Your idea has gone to a prototype. Your idea has gone to a proof of concept, and the proof of concept has been converted to a big prototype. So no one is less, no one is more. God has created us in every manner. We just have to twist our mind to get new ideas. So you can get a good idea. Just you need to focus a lot on focus. You should not get distracted. You can achieve anything. You can bring out a new business. You can become a good entrepreneur. So now your company is somewhere here, and now all the yellow spots, whatever are your branches of your company. Thank you so much for patience listening. Thank you. I thank Ratnamala, convener, and I also thank Principal Ma'am, Professor Sumakam, RBVR Women's College of Pharmacy, for giving me a nice opportunity to present myself in this topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Kusuma Madam, for giving good knowledge about PoC pitching and validation. So this helps the students to develop their ideas and come up with good prototypes for future submissions. So students, please go through this video again, and we'll be offering some ideas for you where you have to come up with some prototypes which should be submitted to the MHRD, right?
So basically, you see this concept. So if you have any doubts on this,
So if you have any doubts on this, then you can ask Kusuma Madam or me, such that we can make teams and we can submit some prototypes regarding from our college. I thank Principal Madam for providing this opportunity for conducting this webinar, and I thank all the students and faculty members who have given their cooperation for making this webinar successful. Thank you, everyone.